This is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reduce display contrast on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In the past few years, Apple has modernized the macOS interface by increasing transparency, flattening out elements, and adding white space. If you find the new interface difficult to use, try increase the on contrast. But on my previous video, I've shown you how to increase the contrast on your MacBook. But now, what if you just accidentally increase your contrast too high and now you want to reduce it? Click this on my MacBook for the example. It's very simple. So first, you can open your system preferences or settings on your Mac. Now you can go to accessibility. You can click on accessibility. There is an option display. You can just click on that. And here you'll find there is an option display contrast. You can just slide this adjust to normal. So now you have normal contrast, display contrast on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to reduce display contrast on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.